Right. Ake sizame once again ukuphendula lo mbuzo. And lo mbuzo uncike kule diagram. And le diagram ela kune information esinikeziwe. Sitsheliwe ukuthi uR2 is 30, uR4 is 50. Satshelwa ukuthi uTW lo line lo uyalingana no SW. Kodwa uTW no SW fanele sikubheke sigcine ingqondweni zethu ukuthi ba ama chord kule circle. Njengoba belingana bona showcase bayokwenza ama angles bayo supporta noma bayo subtender ama angles alinganayo nabo. Umbuzo kusiyaqala uthi uma uR3 lo ewu30 asisho ukuthi indaba. Why? Angithi ke lo u30 sunikiwe kwase kuthiwa indaba sithi nalo u30. Isizathu salokho ukuthi laba ama chord alinganayo kwi-circle eyodwa ayokwenza ama angles alinganayo. Therefore reason yethu ithi R3 is 30 degrees because it is subtended by equal chords in a circle. Isizathu nje senza ukuthi nalo sithi u30 njengalo ingoba bobabili ba supportwe ama chord alinganayo. And lama chord alinganayo akwi circle eyodwa. And therefore nalo u30. Bese kuthiwa asisho two more angles lawa alingana no 30. An angle between a tangent and a chord, it's T4. An angle between a tangent and a chord is W1. So W1 no W4 bobabili balingana no 30 degrees. Why? Because it's a tan chord, and these two are equal. So ama angles amabili alingana more, two more alingana no 30. It's W4 equals to W1 bonke balingana no 30 degrees. Isizathu is tan chord theorem. Tan chord theorem. Angithi lawa mangabe le kwi tangent bese kuba khona an angle between a tangent and a chord. tangent nechord yilawo. Le bisilingana no30 nale ilingane no30 nale izolingana no30. That is why W4 no W1 bobabili belingane no30 because of a tan chord theorem. Bese kuthiwa uS2 wona ungakanani. Ukuthi mngakanani S2 kumele masikuthole ngokuthi sesiyawazi lo u30 kanti lo u30 athi ayibona le nto. Uma lo u30 uW1 nalo u30 uR3, so uS2 wethu ke yena uzoba ubani? Asobuke kuS2, angithi uS2 wethu sobuka thina from a triangle. Ile triangle we exterior, angithi uS2 we exterior kule triangle. Ngicabanga ukuthi siyalandelana. Kanti la sine tan chord ephoqa ukuthi sithi uW2 u50 because it's tan chord. So uma ke uW2 u50 le chord yakalo u50, so 50 plus 30 is 80. Lona ke ubani u100. Lona ke ubani? An exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So S2 wethu is equals to 80 degrees. Reason being W2 is equals to 50 degrees. Therefore, W2 plus W3, W2 plus W2 plus S2 plus R3 is equals to S2. Asubuke ku W2 50 S3 u30, therefore S2 80 degrees. Then is an exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. Sesiyawazi ke uS2 wethu ukuthi u80. uV ke wona ubani? uV ubani? No V ngicabanga ukuthi uyawubona ukuthi lo u30 lo, because it's a tan chord njengalo. So W4 u30 kanjalo lo plus lo T1 uzoba exterior yale triangle. So lo is a tan chord which is 30 degrees. So lo mayu 30 degrees, lo plus lo plus lo, sum of angles of a triangle. Ganjalo lo nalo nalo W3 wethu is sum of angles of a triangle. Siwukhipha kanjani ke uV ukuthi ubani? uV ukuthi ubani? Asibuke lapha ke ukuthi uV ukule triangle, uV ukule triangle, kanti ngokunjalo no S2 ukule triangle. S2 yena u8, so kodwa uyi exterior ngoba lo u30 nalo lo u30 nalo, because it's a tan chord lo. Right, ngicabanga ukuthi sesu-answerishile part 1 of this problem. Sesu-answerishile part 1 ubuthi asikhombise ukuthi u-R ubuthi why u-R3 ulingana no 30 degrees. Ngase ngithi i-reason yalokho, but we must provide reasons for our statement. So if R3, which is this angle, is equals to 30 degrees, the reason is isizathu salokho ukuthi u-R3 is subtended, is supported, wakhele phezu kwe-equal chord in the circle. Buka, angithi le chord besivele siyinikeziwe ukuthi lingana nale. Ayalingana lama chord we are given. In other words, la thina sesingaphinde sithayisele ngokuthi sithi a TW as our chord is equals to SW as another chord. These are the chords, these are the lines. Yilabo line esikhuluma ngabo esibanikeziwe ukuthi bayalingana njengoba be-indicative. So uma lo line wenza u30 laphayana, nalo uzokwenza u30 la, because labo line bobabili abekho kuma circles ahlukene kodwa baku circle enjani eyodwa, baku circle eyodwa. So ke equal chords in a circle subtend makes support equal angles on the other side of the circle. Right, sesiyakwazi ukuthi R3 ubani u 30 degrees. Kwase kuthiwa ke asisho two more other angles that are equal to 30 degrees. Two more other angles that are equal to 30 degrees. Eyokuqala, it's W4. It's W number 4. That angle is equals to angle W1. Both are equals to 30 degrees. Angithi kuthiwa thina asisho two more. Nanka lawa lo two more esikhuluma ngawo. Asiuchazeke wona ukuthi isizathu sakhona sizothi yini. It is an angle which is between a tangent and a chord. And this one also, it's an angle which is between a tangent and a chord. And siyabona lokho. But lama angles lawa alingana nalawa ya. Ngenye indlela sesingathini thina. Sesingathini. These are proven angles. proved. Asibhaleke i-theorem yakhona. Izothini i-theorem? Izothi tan chord theorem. Bese ithi lezi zinto esizisho lapha yana has been proved. Has been proved. Ngaphezulu. Angithi zona vele esithole ukuthi ziyalingana no 30 degrees moving from a tan chord theorem subtended by equal chords. Uma ke siwazi u-W, if W, 1 and W4 are equal to those, and these are also. Now, buka ke manje u-R4. U-R4, angithi ke manje sifuna ukuyothola u-S2. Sifuna ukuthola u-S2. U-R4 is an angle between a tangent and a chord. Is equals to W2. Sesiyabhala ke la. Sesithi W2 is equals to 50 degrees. Isizathu sokuthi W2 sithi is 50 degrees. Isizathu sakhona sesiyasibhala ke naso. It's a tan chord theorem. It's a tan chord theorem because it's an angle between a tangent and a chord. It's equal to an angle subtended by the same chord on the alternating segment. Therefore, it's a tan chord theorem, which makes W2 to be equals to 50 degrees. And therefore, u-S2 wethu, asibukeke manje u-S2 wethu. U-S2 wethu is equals to, and therefore u-S2 wethu lola okuthiwa siwutholela. Athi ayizwa lonto. U-S2 wethu lo okuthiwa siwutholela is equals to 80 degrees because le iwu-30, le iwubani iwu-50. It's equals to 80 degrees. Sesibhala futhi theorem ukuthi yini ke sithi yona iwu-80 degrees. It's because exterior angle of a triangle equals to the sum of two interior opposite angles. Bese siyayibhala ukuthi yipi le triangle esikhuluma ngayo. RS bani noma sithi RWS. RWS i-triangle yethu leyo. I-triangle yethu leyo. Triangle RWS. Iyo ikule triangle la eyenza sithi khona u-S2 ubani u-8. Bese siya conclude ngokuthi S2 plus S1 plus S1 lama angles omabili lawa maswa eda asinikeza 180 degrees. Sesiyabhala isizathu sakhona. Sithini isizathu sakhona? Sithi adjacent angles on a straight line. Adjacent angles on a straight line. Therefore, S1 as an angle is equals to 100 degrees. 100 degrees. Sesiyawazi ke u-S1 ukuthi u100 degrees. Sesiwazi ke ukuthi u100 degrees u-S1 uyalingana no T1. Yayizwa lento engishoyo, uyalingana no T1. S1 is equals to T1. Siyabhala njalo. S1, therefore S1 is equals to T1. Sesiyabhala ke futhi nakhona. Yini ke i-theorem yakhona ithini? Exterior angle of a cyclic quad. Usungayibhala ke nawo leyo cyclic quad esishoyo. RSWT. RSWT. It's an exterior angle of a cyclic quad, RSWT. Le ilingane naleya. Sesiyabuya ke manje angithi inhloso yethu basiphushela ukuthi siyothola uV. Basiphushela ukuthi siyothola uV. Yingakho sibhala yonke leya ngxoxo leya yani. Mase siyofika kuV ke. Sesizothi in triangle. Sesikhuluma ngetriangle manje. TVW or TWV. TWV. Yile part le esikhuluma ngayo manje. Kule ya triangle. T1, okay. T1 is equals to 100 degrees. Sesiyabhala izathu proved. Siphinde siqhubeke. W4 is equals to 30 degrees. Sisho izathu tan chord theorem. Tan chord theorem. And therefore, sesiya conclude ke. Uma sihlanganisa laba bobabili, laba nje bobabili. Uma sibahlanganisa basinikeza 130. I-conclusion yethu ke uma lo nalo ku130 ubani lo. Therefore uV wethu, V is equals to 50 degrees. V is equals to 50 degrees from sum of angles of a triangle. From sum of angles of a triangle. Because uma lo e30 lo e100, 130 lo. Masusu 130 ku 180 kusala 50 la. So this one is equals to 50 degrees. That one is equals to 50 degrees. Sesiqedileke yonke le proof yethu as easy as is. As easy as that. It was almost 9 marks. It was 2. Masesithola la, sizala. It was 5 marks. 3 and the other one was 2. 5 marks. 3 here, 2 marks here. So it concludes ama theorems wonke nama problems wonke. Khumbula ke asiyisusi nje lento obala bakithi. Lento esiyenza la siyisusela kwibhuku elivunywe yi-Department of Education. Leli bhuku was compiled ngo-2016. Licombina wonke ama problems are possible for an exam. So thina mangabe sinifundisa la ku-info class, we are not just doing things ngoba siyibona ukuthi lezo zinto siyakwazi ukuzenza. Kodwa nesingakwazi ukuzenza siyazama ukuyikhumbuza zona ukuze sizenze ngoba abaphathi bemfundo bafuna nina nikwazi lokho. Bafike basitsheleke ukuthi nazi izinto esifuna niyifundise izingane. mangabe sebesitshelile ukuthi lezi zinto asizifundisa izingane sesizifundisile izingane bese besetha imibuzo ngendlela yabo bese siyayiphendula thina imibuzo njengoba kanje. Nawe ke mangabe unombuzo ofisa ukuthi sikuphendulele wona okwakho ukuthi usibhalele usitshele lo mbuzo ukuthi utholakala kuliphi iphepha uyakwehlula wena ukuthi uwenze. O ungaya ku WhatsApp noma uye ku Facebook noma uye ku Twitter uyosithola khona uma sesinawo ama page kahle asebenzayo aphelele a live, but njengamanje usangasithola kahle ku WhatsApp we can answer you. Nangocingo we can answer you okwakho nje ukuthi usitshele ukuthi umbuzo uthola kuliphi iphepha uthini usishuthele wona usithumelele wona thina sizowuphendula sobuyisele kuwe.